Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Volkswagen key fob. Begin by confirming your car accepts a new fob and that you have the VIN and original key present. Carefully open the fob with a small screwdriver, remove the battery, and note the transponder placement. Keep screws and components organized in order. If the fob needs programming, prepare any dealer instructions or a diagnostic tool for the next steps. Use a gentle, steady pressure when prying open the fob shell to avoid damaging clips or buttons. Once open, remove the old battery and observe the orientation and type so you replace it correctly. Check the circuit board and contacts for any corrosion, dirt, or loose parts, and clean them with isopropyl alcohol if needed. Reassemble the shell loosely first to confirm button alignment before snapping everything back together. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during repairs with the Owala water bottle, which seals well and fits most cup holders, making long tasks more comfortable and focused. I like its leak-proof lid and convenient carry loop for garage work. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Many Volkswagen models allow basic fob programming using the ignition and button sequences described in the owner manual, so try those steps first. If those steps do not work, a locksmith or dealer can use a diagnostic programmer to sync the transponder and remote functions. After programming, test locking, unlocking, trunk release, and panic functions at various distances to ensure consistent operation and confirm the immobilizer accepts the new key.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.